Itu ini dang Disha.
Ani lah si thank you video. Kamu kena di pyrthei sunscreen.
Oh, kini.
Oh kena bershoot up kum tu mo.
Helmet.
Lah sedap dia helmet kan ni.
Helmet.
Ni ba fill in the house inside jing right away. Masendrung tu hopok mentan ni layo.
Skin aja lah har mar.
Yang layo ya kena kawai ka. Ke bangam tip.
Gift box.
The gift box, sunscreen box. Ay. Welcome to Shillong, baby. This is the puja in Shillong. Puja scene in the Shillong. Look at the blocks. Look at the blocks. Kini ada puluh markets. Insya-Allah di balik konten baik tang nak bertajing pandal lah ni.
Em được rung cái quá,
Ha.
nhà rung cái quá.
Em ni benar rungkai teman lomban lik swat gini ki pandal deh. Nomor ba bubun ba ki basya spread rumor sam shapang ki Hindu hang ni ban pen ya khlat ban pen ya snam shapang Hindu ti wei. Look at this. Oh, so nice. That's why di balik taman penikan, how peaceful puja here are. Akak ke jenis sngewbha bro. Ah, ni sebelah ini gua tahan ni kan ni sebelah. Thisisferdy elite. So blacks. Dan near there's another temple here.
Oh, dan.
Near dan ni. Oh, ni tur bahaya babai. Huge one. Now what parking? Okay. All the puja decoration everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, madaski ini lenyok shahkhot ke jaka bakata kam dai hang ni. Ingin lenyok shahkhot ke jaka kaba. Ngene peni phi kum no benta sunscreen. Thì cái này video ngắn thép là đang yêu rung support đang yêu mình kendo ba lengi poi ke jaka por babiak dalam poi show por babiak tem thép show. Thì cái này dia bagi layo invitation na ikong sunscreen. Na ikong ta sunscreen bagi lek pek kai kolom kumno. Ni phi tu jaka ki le yo ti jaka. Kat ko mesti so thu janga ambam ngasngom ba kadai ka event tang lam ta chung ki thai.
Ta, bảo ai?
Thì chỉ ra cái đi bên này himer mấy tiền ác của mông tân bách ngầu nhẹ gì bọc ngầu mà tân bách như là lăng tăng còn nhặt lăng ini hak sirip mông tân silang dan kynti sudah tinggal ran benar merwe hak lăng bọc nhặt lăng thì tama ya ngatrai kinan lang bi ki rangba ro ngatrai ki bakam long si bakam long simkhia sini do em ngatrai kinan ni teman negara ko mesti semua jongat sngewbha kibun kynti ini baik kalau mau kita oh je pen krum ya kan ni ka puja mata te ngai ku maka kham kenja yo manus nam nanti bio kenang sedang nala sai sing yo kenang dan try ini try pedai la ni kan hai no yo kam dei ni di Scottish te pilan bhai oi ti ba ma mana kli ti ba ti venue secret story boutique cafe
Kadan hang tu kemat berat.
Tenang. Oh,
Boleh tak ni? Mak.
boleh ya? Nila aslam na doon roosting sedang program. Hey ha.
Baca tak?
Secret story boutique cafe.
Ah, yang tak tengah aktif. Terus story tu kadang ni kan?
Kanu?
Betul. Betul.
Kani?
Betul.
Oh kani. Oh, okay bro.
Apa juruan sama?
Tu siapa? Eh, mang ada.
Semua sunscreen dan ni deh.
Hey, lah why na kamu no?
Em kadang you can still come. Kadang ni patle ada thank you note also.
Ngadan ni bar te kelade ngani thwa.
Ali rong siapa?
Okay, ta.
Style eh.
Style. This is nice. Ah. So sorry.
This is Ferdinand. He's also known as Coach Freeman. He's a very popular
No, I'm
celebrity.
not. Hey bro, how are you, man? I was trying to call you from your number actually.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'll talk to you.
Yeah, definitely. For luck skin or for the food?
Nah, not something else. Something else.
Thinking Adam's done already with the workshop, but come this
You have my number, right?
Yeah, I think the one I saw from Instagram maybe.
No, I'll give you my number.
Okay.
You give me your number.
I think I'm pretty happy.
Alright.
Next second, I'm calling you.
So
Okay.
that's out there, the
Nice.
this is conversation. So then what we had earlier was
Hey bro, honey see it.
Can I say it?
My name is Mynta.
Hana see it.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, nice to meet you. Ferdinand.
You can see the story clinical location.
Okay.
Boleh pergi Islam.
Huh?
Boleh pergi Islam.
Kedua kau pai. Mama ya, kayu snap you le ku accelerator cable. Te mali eh.
Really?
You look good, yeah?
Thank you. So over here we had like a small talk and workshop area.
Okay.
And then hangni and
Nice.
we have
Ah.
space bangila he post plum.
Nice.
So it did email dang Disha.
Ani lah si thank you video. Kau anyam. Lah si markeliang. Hiperlock bab.
We moved to the other room but
Okay.
skin analysis.
Skin analysis kan tu? Yang harus saya analyze lang skin. Okay.
I'm so
Alright.
finally
Palat. Lanyam. Apa Islam?
Demi.
Dah.
Lalu mana ada bang?
Ngati kena supay. Ngasuli arahan ka.
Influencer kan. Skin analysis.
Okay.
Machine.
Okay.
Scan it is dojong ki.
Kuno.
Ini di Monica dan Laksu.
Hai, kuno. Nice to meet you, buddy.
So all of these are my followers, my attendees. The lucky
Tenaga.
10.
Kuno. Hai. Nice to meet you. Kuno.
Betul yang machine.
Oh, betul. Naik bis scan ada leran pi Paulo KJ yani too many flaws.
Do where you check what's going on with your skin.
Oh.
Then Mynta kira ya balm and everything. Then we'll just do the ending can, which is we'll give them the goodies. Say thank you, good night, tata.
Namre yani nadu interesting aslam palat ri.
Really? What to do?
Kani mo kata PUP? So what is this cafe about?
It's a skin analysis machine.
MK cafe.
Oh, Kanika Cafe today secret story.
Okay.
So they have like they boutique group then jaka balm jaka day.
Okay.
But they make good continental food can.
Oh,
Krishna continental ki shat bit ki served ki continental food.
nice.
Oh, Ali apni fish and yaman.
Couldn't even sit. Let's just go for a tour first. Ni hai. Kamu kan dia dekat pyrthei sunscreen.
Oh, gini.
Ngasuh siapa je tu lu jom.
This is the
Ooh.
area. These are the goodies that people are going home with. Again, sponsored by Plum Body Loving, but Plum Goodness Skin. They can let they're going home with skincare routine kan. Full skincare product.
Bro, afi kamdan kamfi lah yang atas.
Your pee fit like can say done body care products. Your pee. Nira your pee lock up.
Salt jangan. Yang kerja kayaknya kamdan kamai log in.
Take a seat, yeah. You relax last.
Kini begini ni.
Order food also. Mama dan special menu.
Oh,
Kani kadi ka butik jongki kan.
Okay.
Hoon.
Long kide kamu
Hoon
kini no.
kide hoon.
This so nice ya.
Hoon kan. Ni
Feel ali trim. Nice.
The first of many, ma. Ni ali sure.
Good for you.
Hoon. We'll start.
It's nice.
Hey, you keep your helmets this side. You
Sure.
sit and you know.
Hani kamu di jaka sundur ni?
Hoon. The fisherman mirror selfie kan.
Oh, kamu tahu? Habis kamu ni mirror selfie dan mirror selfie.
A mirror selfie is what fisherman punya kan.
Okay. Kalau try yo kali itu suka tok lalang hin.
Immediately one day more incident to technology.
Kadan dia, Mynta.
Am hang ni kan ni bedang tuk teh.
Movie dan lah ni nak kamu na? Fisher dan lang behang ni something.
This
You
is
just using the space.
We know Sabra, so we asked her to give us the space for this event. And ngaku aru ba namar ba ngaku abad ko mo ang ipia ngaku abad hikai kibrio kumno ban skincare, amnish skincare kumno ban tip ban ta skincare kumno and everything. And it's always nice to kishong cafe where they feel like nilang dos.
Batay in conversation. In
In
conversation with the pro.
2 pros today, Monica and me, na.
Nice.
I wanted a cozy atmosphere for this, which is why I did it kanya ka jaka. Di long best I long like kum yin handai kan dere. Hot.
Ay nang bai ko. Nang ba.
Abi nang la miss palek stop jangan mana.
Miskin fi ni ngala. Lem no snew ka bai. Shalom idan ni bak masih
But
mana
at least you get to see also what the event is.
Ani
about.
no mga kan pen pep te am long ben pep happy ben one.
Happy kan benwan. Song not di sana.
Chalo.
Hot.
Mess not.
The Hilat special menu for today is
Sure.
a skin glow from within menu.
Dude, bro. Lada beli? Dah kan sok mau siu mga. Ino. Peni kepercayaan berokat. Ya kedua jang ikang meba. Ani jangan lete try ngam pitim nem kijing ima jong ka sni do jangan ni. Kari hai pitim. Kari hau itla. So because of this you don't know this. Oh di kini mau tak you ke machine. Nice. Em dia bakal abes ke skin je fi tak dah. Oh hap helmet kem tu. Nice. Okay. Hap sendur lah ni bab. Sendur ni boy.
Let me take it for you. It's a video, ma?
Yeah, it's a video.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's up?
Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Look my skin. Kalau kamu lagi. Oh, kali bershoot hap kamu tu mo?
Helmet.
Last that dia helmet kan.
Helmet.
You're working with Forefront?
Nice. Duh. Maybe I'll fill in the house inside jing right away. Masendrung tu hopok mentan ni lah yo.
Skin aja lah nembhar marah.
Tu ni sih.
Go that side.
Em ke VIP kau belum true em. Live ban peni ke true self syak pyrthei.
We'll start earlier next time. No? Yeah. Okay, so I would just like to say we have a special surprise. Okay, we have a surprise. And for that, I would like you guys to write down your name in a piece of paper. Ma. So wait a second. Come here, Mom, Jahal. Just give every one of them a small piece of paper to write their names. Ma. And then and then what we're going to do is we have a surprise from Skin. One person. Why don't you announce? You announce it. Come.
So the one person whose
I
name
don't
we
like
are
that
pick
angle. Come.
is gonna get free skin treatment.
Yes. So we're going to do a lucky draw
matcha or a red tea.
one lucky person out of the 10 of you will get
You will
a
get clear skin
green.
tomorrow.
I tahu matcha, I matcha.
Depending on what you need.
Even Meghalaya is taking part.
Yeah, of course. Everybody who's here.
Yeah.
Except for me.
Yeah, they got small.
Free skincare. Free skincare. Hani ke dan kebam tu. Okay dah.
Rice.
Grilled chicken or either mashed potato or rice.
Pelok ti hadian jong ke jingwan ke jongi menta. Ting layo ya kani kawe ka ke bangam tip.
Gift box.
Gift box, sunscreen box. Ai. Ti hang ni pilap ni dan selipar dan umso dan kiting mata dan sentiu. Kini pitkai menta pi kalong kumno ti yu apa mah. Ting di wei ni.
Ban shoot ikan mat jom pi kan?
Shoot man? For real?
Oh, ban shoot lah.
Long benong tu long sopro tu.
Ya, long sopro kan? Dia sopro. Sopro badan elastik nanti pula kan?
Ah ni cuman ni lock ngani ten ni gini.
Kan you hang tu dulu. Mentat.
Ni ni. Show. Plum body loving. Body mist. Ini apa dia ni?
Tu dia kesen kan?
Oh kesen.
Oh.
Ikat body
And
mist
it's
ya kesen.
matching. Oh, body mist is like, so perfume is kam long clan. It lasts longer. Body mist is like a lighter version kan?
Body mist. Long kumu ulo jong kamet.
A watered down perfume kan?
Hawaiian
Perfume bala
zumba.
asli apa kum.
Jadi mang ada semakan long no. Long aman semak.
Oh, you can, obviously it's yours.
Di fancy long so đây. Nè. Nice. Đi. Đi bro, mom so lah.
It's called Hawaiian
Smart.
Zumba.
Nice. And then oli 4 jam tu deh. Ini dah. Oh di Chanel. Fridge magnet. Hey, this is tang. This is so nice. Oh, ni. Bantu. Kini kan habaong ban monetize ya ka popularity jong PM. This is what it means. Ta sunscreen.
Merch.
Anjing sana lah tak long IP yang hati.
Yeah, okay.
Kembali formal tu kan?
Kembali. Kembali medal.
Kembali medal kumdu dia. Mandul kumdu peniwi kumdu kumasundul setai batas
Okay,
sunscreen.
ready? For your services.
For my services kan? Ban kumdu aja.
Congratulations.
Sunscreen. Oh. So nice. This is nice.
I wanted my
ni
own
so
branding
smart.
also kan. Oh, yo am jong plum tengah pak bo jong kan.
Now don't you put away. Shower gel.
Okay. So kani di file lang pun smart ba.
Long mendale mi senang
Dalam
kalau mana.
pun smart ba.
Kanilong kung sabon subi
But
kan.
kibir kita syuang.
Kani.
Baro but kentai but senang.
Nice.
Nice. Kamu du senang ulang kan ni?
If you like the scent, hot tak.
Teman dia minta pada beli perfume mga ai lo kan? Ngagit mga ai. Nata mga ai.
Ngaru nga ay hair serum ni. Tak mai. Naman pita tak ni je.
Ngaru minta may yung kamta eh. Oh, nice. This is so nice. Wait, ni plum, kuting plum.
Plum body loving.
First
The
time.
company is called Plum Body Loving.
Na nang nula banyo kani clinical sunscreen.
Gila benyo na PB na lain kra. You get to a lot of departmental stores. Dan ni
Tiki
flat
kidan-
hit online ro.
Tikidan you kinja
Kidan
shurun
sunscreen, kidan body care, kidan perfume. Kilong affordable te. Kindagan tan pada pure. could be smile, bang, good designer scent for the affordable price.
This is nice, yeah. Okay, nice, yeah.
Only graduate. Iya na.
Tak sunscreen. Thank you. Ha, kimpat.
Okay, so one.
Thank you.
Anytime. Thank you for coming.
This one nak do day.
Nak dua deh. Boleh.
This will be such a you love such a surprise. Dan nama bang awan selam ni iladam ni sih. Ha, gezaan dengan gini. Jin, perlok takadaw. Dibiki sayang make when life throws you lemon, you make lemonade em dei kani rukam. Ki beliau ki keren ki kentho ki keren ki kerja jam fishna business in temban. Dapat yo dap. Anyway, di sa kabam ta ti kabam dengan penisuk ti sekilo yang pi koi pakai video plus bung perlok. Maaf saya ada pi lagi bab bab.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.